People die in order. Do not call it murder. Try accidental life, bloody fashion and a knife. The politics of policy. Police came from city. For we produce our culture, borders, ethnicity. Pushing our boulders, humans fish respect. Faith in numbers, no longer generosity, and safety in comfort, no need for velocity. In the land of fathers, jumping the melting pot, perfectly the same sort, placing our pin in to come in sin. We buy what we think we need, it is a stupid hoard, we sloth in greed. Money and oil, an immortal coil, our neighbor is the same, borderline sane, and hungry for the things we had in store. We lost it, and now it begins. War. No human won. Oh man.